Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys pattern lock delete setting. Friends, you have pattern lock in your Samsung phone device and guys you want to delete guys your pattern lock. So friends, how can you delete guys? You don't want to use guys your lock screen pattern guys. You want to delete your pattern lock. So friends, how can you delete total friends? I will show you. I will tell you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon, like the video friends. And now let's see how can we delete. Open your phone setting guys. After on phone setting, I scroll it. First click on guys your phone lock screen setting. Then guys click on screen lock type. You can see guys draw your recent patterns of hand. Draw your pattern. And once you can see get the swipe option guys tap here to delete. Friends come back. Friends you can see guys we don't have any pattern lock guys. We can use our phone without this pattern lock. So like that guys we can delete pattern lock in our Samsung phone device. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video. I hope friends you understood how to delete pattern lock in our Samsung phone device. So bye guys.